Busianfo, good evening. I'm Penyah, Mr. Ramo. We apology later. Rema Ghana military and police service.
Assembly the obeko. Natural sem. Wanum ni the obeja. Natural sem. Okay, say enro wi ano. Ana mbro bi da ka tro say Galamseyer bi. I find Akai GH. Abet threat Ghana police and Ghana military. Say police ni anaso ye ni bi eye mistake. Etu ni nan esi Galamseyer site bi a obe boni tuo. Ekono. That guy busia. Oba media no so pacho. A few moments later. Or pacho. Memo nchiremu. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mesra say ni dim. Obe like video no under my subscribe button so na be keep notification on no latest updates na be try wa dwen dia mame e wo comments section mesra so baswa no wa share video more for enya bi ahwe this is a developing story obe kaya right after the incidents of the helicopter crash no mane boama eni Mutara Mohammed ewu ye no nanka omo kolonche responsible mining or I say responsible small scale mining then say be ya obia be mining responsible unko mining unsuo mu unko say forest any other and also enema wane bo ma Mutara Mohammed ekosi omu ekwanhye wo enti enu achi no ene se be share any phone bia before say na se omane bo ma eye Galamseyer kun ye enuma wudi a ene na no the fight against Galamseyer eye shoot to kill omba Galamseyer site bia la obebo mutuo ekomo
God will judge them. God will judge them. But we are telling the Galamseyer force say no more no. And then we video the secretary maybe can say no. It's very careful. And nobody away Galamseyer we come after you. We will shoot you and we will kill you because and I'm also and they go for a day and we are going to tell them say nobody that ever put some kind of force. He said who says here the Ghana no ya fa any day and this 7 go and the juma or man be say me say mama say okay come to you then a photo and this photo as the photo we are ready for the NDC and we are going to make sure that Ghana be everyone to pay them the ticket former the greater Accra communicator also Kasua branch organizer right then look at the program over the gap our one side right 2016 every people upon me let me pay you how much I papa from what I will follow you until so many man penny. They can say passion. You know, Mamma, papa. Look at the wheel of to be contacted every single be our man. Nobody. We are not going to sit down for anything to happen to end this government again.
And watching 2 days ago, police for Echo VD Galamseyer site a war manso bon teso and a honor is going to a 2. According to reports, any penny be L2 anonymous Siedo.
Oh, master.
I like it anyway.
This is why we do when we are coming.
Protect the last car! Protect the last car! Protect the last car!
We are currently around Montresu electoral area, and this area we can all see how the land have been degraded. It's so terrible. We came and met 2 excavators on the site, and then upon sighting us, one driver to the excavator ran away. The other one was still in action, and then we arrested him. While I was about to move him, 2 gentlemen came forward that they were the owners of the excavators. And all of a sudden, the community started mobilizing to attack. Some started even throwing stones to attack the police. I think basically the area is becoming chaotic, but with our professionalism, we are just trying to make sure that we secure the area and be able to move the machines out of this jurisdiction. Thank you very much.
Ora se ema ekrumafo nkra ebedi ho nkoma etina ebi mu kire se ene ejina asem no a omo be kan ne se omo bagalo ne se meku nipa no eno so nti ene ne police no abayesa eti ehye Galamseyer ni biso bufo nti eno ano ana one guy friend Akash ebe video ana all call on Galamseyer phone say police ni bi eye mistake ana so ye ni bi eye mistake ebora eni Galamseyer site bia omomo ni tuo enkono
se wo manso ne ni mantemu no ye Galamseyer ni that's money. That's all who so Jenny and as a police in our site no to about the token. But say, no, I'm saying no so Jenny and police in our site no Uhuna, but the token, so banasum, Jumo, so ban mansumo, Uhuna net to open upon token. Added, Northern region, area B, that man go side or baby. Work site operation we call so now, San in Anajo. Work why so much you money now? What should petrol go try to video be am about Crawford video no be SND a platform no. Ade, one bay. They say at 2 nibble. So what site? Let's so Janny and us police in the bar. Let's do bell. Sick and about over to me at Channel Kuno. And come baby. So almost I imagine some more about Queen. Ye tea baby. Ye tea bush in him dear hot here. No offering cry, come I say abba. Abba room. Say, when you hear Baba Kundia, yes, you move. What she has any police in your site about the token or straight up. Because we must start to try to grow from the was says to anybody. Obama so I buy company be any man so apart from school, how many teachers for apart from fire service office, abanya fire service personnel no ana say fire service for ana sa district assembly hono kakra na wo manso kwanta ni area bi no asa aban factory bi ani manso fo ye adwuma afọ so akreti omo adwuma no na mo tata wo mo. Look at this. Eh? And you are expecting say so ya pa adwuma ni na so ana so ye soja na so ye security personnel na ba site a yen krokro na e ma yen jiji o so this time awo mre ade aban na ye no woni say enye. They say soja ni ba site answer police ni ba site no wa chance oboku na kono bi wontumi adwane ko platform na da so ye adwuma. Maybe any update ni nyina no wo you know to me the link ni nyina ma. Ye hen so ba join platform mi so ya ban adwuma ni me how ho be join platform no. Eno ti na nra me reject bebre na you know panivo. Hello. Platform no da so ye adwuma. Enti no say opeso join platform na chat me number no. Me di obeka ho. Na bia de akobia no. E be ma o tip off no. Te wo hia omo ne se bia wono obetumi a woni omo face papa so wo hia bush hono so nam kwan so neba pepa o yina fro simple masa we nye treating bia obi anya be man che obi asa obi anya be man che obi a masa bon kwa sempe no obegina ho no edede na wo hia Galamseyer ne akunu yenso ye hia soldiers for site police for site na ye betumi a ye bakomo say ye ntumi a yenso ye bedwane obi nche obi o ha o man mu ha kwa fiasam factory bi ani ho mo bie wo Galamseyer area bia o empo ye kwan kula no mo nya mae dia wo de infa manso nya example aban panifo no bi mpie no mo mbla maka say project se na ye o manso apart from school ni hospital ba ko mienu bi amoye mo ba bonti me kasa factory bi amobie na o manso ya aban adwuma ye ba ja Galamseyer ne ye nko ye den ye ndi den oh nkwase asem like adia no din o se for me kram no pa yase ma hiti kakra ba no kure ndi da ho na waka 101 wo hia o yonko na o ba prawa wo so prado bi amfa obi ahun che no sa de onye obaku no wo hia na wo so kunu bi asa na nyina yin tina o man ho na hwese so o man no endane ni je for so ban no bi endane bo Nigeria for de no bi a na nyina ye behwe
Mas no kan kwa no Ghana for etwin abo so Captain Smart ebedem no ewo ni program so ke kan bi pa de trebusia benefo se tuf no wanti a okwanti ade wala se ana tufantu ene nwanwam na tikopo abranti ya ode ne bono sa fahina be kan da ensimu eno an ode bufu ebeka sare no wasa ba media no so ose osere eya bufu ene bae osere Ghana police ene Ghana military mon fanche no onye se bi
abusiafo good evening penifo misramo we apology later ede ma Ghana military and police service no misramo nda ye ha bonte so ha operation bi Bahama aja nyina ahometie tuo nyina atutu ye nti aja ahometie nti ma me di hu bufuo ebe ye video bi to online so bikula no mini followers mini likes mini he ba me ye video ni de na me so e bia tuo na say the way a obi apra wo na ade no ade hu ya obele ye Galamseyer boys na e wa ha no ti ma me kula me fa ho ye video bi ade be to online so misramo anya ni da ho na say ya kakra bam tena dia me keka nyina no ase na bufu wo na America asa say wo hia Galamseyer ni wo hia soja ni a misramo me pesa ma boss obium na ano me hwe video no later no kula no me hu say video na no edin ho na me delete here so not no be microphone so afadada bloggers afadada Captain Smart misramo the way I was me kan no na nya sa na me bi pa kira na say na ni mitrim say me ma wi ade bone me ni ano be na mama wo ma wada obi so won kwanye na ya bufu obi na say bi a nkola bone san bi na maye misramo am fa nche me Captain Smart the way I was so mu na wo so asam no mu na wo ye no misrawa apology no so no misrawo ko doje gufam ka ho asam na ndu mpanifo ani mame no mo fa nche me na man shada me nya sa na me ye ma ade ba say tu na bam no wala say me check ni say e man so ha no djuma bia ni ha enu ana ye oh na say ko ba say no ya na edu ba bia wo university kakra wo me na say ye say ana say ade ahometie na eba ana mami kwa kasa ye kula no juma ye miniska mi ye mpanifo na ye mines for ye wie no nenso ya fa kire anya kakra nti ye sa no se ma ja mi bufu ha nti na mami kwa ye sa video no nti mpanifo mi sira mo fa nche mi na ebi nsibio sira mo akotojugu fam sa video we nti no ama nakula ma ye basa kula mo ye ha sira mo fa nche mi why Captain Smart GH TV GH Ghana blogger kase na mo fa video first one Mr. Mo post we nso na ndu mpanifo anim na threatened na ba no anu edin threatened na ba no anu edin Mr. Mo followers Mr. Mo boy mo post ma mo share ma me na ndu mpanifo no na mo nso mfa ncha me why Mr. Mo
na obi patch no na for us send another stern warning to Ghana police and Ghana military.
We say more baba be queen. Okay. Yeah, our site I train more high, mumla. Mumla mumla na me queen why? I respect you. Come on, so you didn't change why? More man say for be say mo ba be see a queen we adenya. Ye na yama mumpan fu awu. Enti adenya obi ebe hu ti so be ye Galamseyer bi ano ye be ku no ana mu fi se ye ni emre won atade ne ne aban ene respect no na o nipa na o de ne ba na o de nipa be 610 bi pe aba be gu site na adenya wo be ku mo bi Galamseyer na ye no efie bi mu akola bone na eyu nti ya mu hu se ye no mo di kan po ye da this one is cancer na akan wa kan kola ne ho nti de ya mo ye no tena ya ye de ya teso ama mo ne ye se ye nso ye be ye mem asemo a wa pa ke wo ka no se wo wa be pa mo amanfo nso gina wansa de e check mo nti wo betimi ahu de ebesi a ya na mo de mo atena mo nkran ho na mo akeka why na wa ba no ba ye wa pe adwuma ma yutufo be adwuma ma ye create ye job nso na mo de pressure ne mo ade saa NSC do wu ye na wa he o akokura be wu ame akokura be di ade enya ade kuro ya obi awu uzan so say omo chidi oye Galamseyer bi a yenkunu no no wonye obi ba hwa asemo akwakonya atwofo ntafo obi mu na mo ayeden mo wie wo mo a mo mu gina ho no mo ye long yo yese na mo be ba mo mla afena aguro ni mu ba be ye de afe ni ye start ye mindset fo na ye wo mu no omo no omo kro omo sa chen bibia aboye omo hwegu no ho aboye omo hwegu no ho sa abo we ye be da dua bibi wo so ama na ye wunimu asase a enkrofo we afa sase e wo ha nyina ye omo de o omo fere sa mo ba we nyina ye de edeba enti se da chin bia mo kan future no da chin bia nchirima afo no omo so wo sa kuro we mu no na mo kra mo munja sa longo ne na mo amo koko ne kura mpo na ye farming mu panyini kura mpo na ye Ghana ha no obi ye farming ni so ye koko afu enyi nwane nkoko na mponchi asemu eno kura mpo mu ye de mo aye no koko na so papa be na eso nti a ena mondwe o mu future ebe dwen wa ankasa mu why the future no yen so ya ni future no ye ni future o ba bia bi ti mo de mo mla why mo ba ye twen mo mo se mo ni hedin a yen so ya bodam ye ne nam ye ba bi
Obet ma chere wa adwene ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah Media atwa